Hello guys, in this video we'll be covering parallel processing functionality in the Universal Shell. To the task. Uh, Coming to the updates, I have updated the console.json file. I have VMs hosted here. I've also generated a new key pairwise. So I don't think we had this VM previously. So I've added the I've generated a key pair and started the managed node service over there. And so we have created two nodes here and we have added them to the cluster. So this is the format which we have to follow. So we have one cluster now. So yeah, let's go back to our file. Commands.sh. So yep, this is specific to Ubuntu. So you have to enable the execution of control node to bin file since I'm on Windows. This is not required for me. Yeah. Yep, we are running the workflows as usual. So if I go to process.sh file, it's a single schedule. We are running it on two threads on cluster 1. Cluster 1 has both nodes, so we are remotely copying it the processing.py file, and then we are running that file. So if I go to processing.py file, we are just logging the events. So we have a total seconds of 5. So we'll have 5 events. So we are just uh, logging it. Once the logging is completed, it will just print this device name. Yeah. Uh, the other file which I have is this one. So this is basically we are running a single thread instead of two threads. Will calculate time. So this is basically sequential execution. Uh, yep. Let's start with it. So I'm running this command over here. Let's wait for it to load. Okay, go through the output. Yeah, we are running process.sh file, which is where we have two threads. Okay, so copying, we have remote copied the file copied successfully. Time taken is 2.19 seconds. We are remote copying the file to the other node. Time taken is 2.21 seconds. Yeah, we are running it. Time taken 5.36 seconds for this thing. If you see here, logging is complete. So this is the private IP of the nodes. The next part, your logging is complete. You can see here it's a total of 7.58 seconds, and each of us taken almost equal time, 5.3 seconds each. If you want to take a look, so yep, I was running it previously. If you want to take a look at the file, let me just, so yeah, date, time. So we got 5 events, yep, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53. Sorry, I think I mentioned it was time dot sleep. Yep, 1 second. Yep, I was right. Yeah, I'll just go back to the files. I'll just log it here too. Yep, every second we have an event and it's logged. Okay, so we have done it parallelly. If we go back, we see that the time is 5.36 seconds for each. The total time is 1.58 seconds. Okay, I'll run the single thread command now. Yep, process underscore 1t. Yeah, I'll just wait for it to finish and then I'll walk you through the outputs. Yeah, if we take a look at here, it's copying the file 2.28 seconds, 2.55 seconds. Fine. So total time is still 2.55 seconds. If I go to the next part, here you can see the difference. So we are running the command, we are running processing.py file, which should ideally run for 5 seconds, slightly more than 5 seconds. If you see that output is that logging complete, finished 2 by 2, time taken is 5 seconds, total time 7.92 seconds. Since we are running on a single thread, the next one starts after the execution in the first node. So on the second node, you can also see that logging is complete. So it took a total of 10.75 seconds, total time 13.3 seconds. So we have, so process underscore 1t. So we are running a single thread. So we are executing sequentially. So cluster sequencing. So if I go to crest.json file, it will be run. So we are executing it sequentially in both these nodes. The first one, on the first node, it gets executed first, and then after it finishes here, it will start executing on the second node. But for the first time we ran it, we were using two threads, so it was run parallelly, and you can clearly see the total time difference in both of them. That's it for today, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.